Let's talk about something that's holding you back, not just from success, but from even trying. I'm talking about limiting beliefs. You know those little voices in your head that say, you're not smart enough, you'll never be successful, or people like you just don't do things like that. Here's the truth about those beliefs. They are lies. They are stories that you told yourself, or worse, stories that others have told you. And if you're ready to break free, change your mindset, and unlock your potential, then stick around because I'm gonna give you a step-by-step guide to destroying those limiting beliefs once and for all. Let's start here. What are limiting beliefs? They are thoughts or assumptions that act like invisible barriers, stopping you from going after what you want. For example, I'm not good with money. I'm too old to start over. I'll never be successful because I don't have a degree. And here's the crazy part. They usually come from experiences in your past. Maybe you recall the time a teacher said something that was critical to you. Maybe you failed at something once, and now you believe that failure is your destiny. Or maybe you heard the same discouraging messages from your friends or family your whole life. But here's the good news. Just like you learned those beliefs, you can unlearn them. Let me show you how. Identify the belief. The first step to breaking free is naming the belief, because you can't fight what you don't see. So grab a notebook and ask yourself, what's holding me back? Or what do I believe about myself that's not serving me? For example, you may have told yourself that you're just not good at public speaking. Write it down. Get it out of your head and put it onto a piece of paper. Because when you see what it is, a thought and not an actual fact, it loses its power. Challenge the belief. Now it's time to ask yourself, is this actually true? What proof do I have to support it? And what evidence do I have that says that it's not true? Here's an example. If your belief is that I'm not good at public speaking, you gotta ask yourself, has there ever been a time when I spoke up and things actually went well? Maybe in a small group, maybe during a casual conversation. Those moments are proof that your belief isn't the whole truth. Write down that evidence. You'll start to realize that your limiting beliefs are built on shaky foundations. Step number 3, rewrite the story. Now that you've challenged yourself, it's time to replace it. Take the old belief and flip it into something more empowering. For example, instead of saying, I'm not good at public speaking, write, I'm getting good at public speaking every single day. Instead of saying that I'm bad with money, write, I'm learning to manage my money effectively. And your brain is like a sponge. It absorbs anything that you feed it. So start feeding it beliefs that empower you instead of holding you back. Step number 4, take action and prove it wrong. This step is where the magic happens. Beliefs change when you take actions that prove them wrong. Let's go back to the public speaking example. If you believe that you're bad at it, start small. Speak up in a meeting, share your ideas with a friend. The more you do it, the more your brain rewires itself. It's like saying, see, I can do this. Action is the antidote to fear and doubt. You can't just think your way out of limiting beliefs. You've got to act your way out of them. Step number 5 is to surround yourself with the right people. Here's a big one. The people that you surround yourself either feed your limiting beliefs or break them. If you're constantly around people who doubt you or they criticize your dreams, it's gonna be a lot harder to break free. Find people who inspire you, people who push you, people who remind you of what's possible, whether that's a mentor, a supportive friend, or even online communities. It makes a huge difference. Let me give you some tough love. Your limiting beliefs are just excuses. They are lies that you convince yourself that are true because they are comfortable. But comfort won't get you where you want to go. The moment that you decide to let go of those limiting beliefs and take responsibility for your life, everything changes. It's not easy, but it's worth it. So ask yourself, do you want comfort or do you want growth? Because you can't have both. If you're ready to destroy those limiting beliefs and live up to your full potential, let me know in the comments. What's one belief that you're going to start letting go of today? And if this video spoke to you, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And subscribe for more tips on leveling up your life. Your potential is limitless. You just have to believe it. See you in the next video.